Time is everything, man is nothing, he is at the most time's carcass. From each according to his abilities, to each according to his needs. Karl Marx. Reason has always existed, but not always in a reasonable form. Workers of the world, unite. You have nothing to lose but your chains. The history of all previous societies has been the history of class struggles. The oppressed are allowed once every few years to decide which particular representatives of the oppressing class are to represent and repress them. Religion is the opium of the masses. Capital is dead labor, which, vampire-like, lives only by sucking living labor, and lives the more labor it sucks. From each according to his ability, to each according to his needs. Surround yourself with people who make you happy. People who make you laugh, who help you when you're in need. The production of too many useful things results in too many useless people. Democracy is the road to socialism. The philosophers have only interpreted the world in various ways. The point, however, is to change it. Religion is the sign of the oppressed creature, the sentiment of a heartless world, and the soul of soulless conditions. It is the opium of the people.